welcome back to my channel. My name is Yetine and today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look. It's a full weave with a crochet closure, so I did not want to leave any hair out and I was trying to figure out what to do with it, and this seemed like the best option for me. I didn't want to do a closure, I didn't want to do a leave out, and I definitely did not want that blunt like sewn together look in the middle. So this actually came out really good. I was surprised. This is my first time doing this, so if you guys like it or want to know how I got this style, please keep watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you actually really like the video, and if you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the video. So the hair I will be using is by Natural Plush, and it's the Brazilian Soft Afro Wave, and it comes in 3 bundles of 12 inches, which I didn't mind since they didn't have the 14, so this would have to work. As you guys can see, it's super curly and super tight curls, and it's so bouncy. I'm just so excited to put this on. At this point, I'm just going to stop talking and you guys enjoy the video. It actually took me a while to get the crochet method down a little bit, but as you can see, I'm basically looping the middle part, the middle hair over towards the middle part, so the hair just lays over it. It's kind of hard to explain, so you just really have to watch it. Once I was done crocheting, I put the clips in just because the hair was like standing up and I didn't like it, and the clips just basically helped it lay down properly, and I left it in overnight, so in the morning it was looking fabulous.